Hello and welcome to the course on Modern Measurement and Instrumentation EC 504. This is the course taught to the students of BTech EC semester 5. In the last class we finished with the second unit of this course on that was on bridge measurements. So today's class we're going to start with the third chapter and that is on oscilloscopes. What we would be seeing what we will be seeing in the class is that we'll have an introduction of the all the contents of the course, the chapter that we're going to study, and then we're going to start with the block diagram of a normal oscilloscope. As we all know, oscilloscope is a measuring instrument at whose heart we have a cathode ray tube which is responsible for generating the trace, deflecting it to the necessary location as per the input that is applied to the oscilloscope and giving us an output in form of a waveform on the screen. So we would be studying each and every blocks of the oscilloscope in detail, and then we would be studying about the internal diagram of a cathode ray tube also. As I told you, this course or this chapter basically deals with an in-depth study of all the blocks inside the CRO, starting from the vertical deflection system, which consists of vertical amplifier, delay line, and the vertical deflection plates. The horizontal deflection system, wherein we have trigger circuit, the time-based generator, the horizontal amplifier, and the horizontal deflection plates. And we would study uh, the the circuits for generation of power supply, giving the time based generation all the way till the screen of the oscilloscope. So I hope you will enjoy studying this, as this is a chapter which deals with an instrument that we as EC engineers use in our day-to-day labs for measurement and observation of waveforms. So I'll see you then in class.